rewrite these sentences in plural. There are given some sentences which we have to change into plural form. We use is, was, has with singular nouns. हम is, was, has as a helping singular nouns के साथ use करते हैं. And we use are, were, have with plural nouns. और हम जब plural form बनाते हैं तो उनके साथ as a helping are, were, have use करते हैं. Now let's start. First, the lion caught the rabbit. Lion will be plural of lions. The lions caught the rabbits. The apple is in the basket. The apples are in the baskets. I saw a star in the sky. What will be the plural of a star? Stars. I saw stars in the sky. The bee sucks nectar. The bees suck nectar. The camel has a hump. There is a single camel. Now there are many camels. So plural form of camel is camels. And when there are many camels, we will write here as a helping have. The camels have humps. The boy missed the bus. The boys missed the buses. So rewrite these sentences in singular. There are given some sentences which are written in plural form and we have to write down in singular form. The books are on the shelves. The book is on the shelf. The mangoes are on the branches of the trees. The mango is on the branch of the tree. The maids are washing the dishes. The maid is washing the dish. The babies are in their prams. There is plural way, so there will be change in his and babies will be change in baby. The baby is in his pram. The elves are at the shops. The elf is at the shop. The horses are pulling the carts. The horse is pulling the cart. Look at each picture and complete the sentences. There are given many pictures in your book. So first you will see picture and then give answers. First, what are kept on the desk? Can you tell me? Yes, books, pencils and erasers. The books, pencils and erasers are kept on the desk. Second, what are lying on the clothesline? Socks, shirts and pants. The socks, shirts and pants are drying on the clothesline. Third, what are buzzing over the flowers? Grasshoppers, butterflies and flies. The grasshoppers, butterflies and flies are buzzing over the flowers. Next, the spoons, knives and forks are in the tray. The plates, glasses and watches are kept on the shelf. E. Choose the right words and rewrite the sentences. हमें इसमें right word को choose करना है और वापस sentence को लिखना है. First, the women. Women's clean the floor. What will be the plural form of women? Women. W-O-M-E-N. The women clean the floor. These potatoes are rotten. These potatoes, P-O-T-A-T-O-E-S are rotten. Have you met her sisters-in-law? Sister-in-laws. Correct word is sisters-in-law. Have you met her sisters-in-law? My aunt has visited many countries. C-O-U-N-T-R-I-E-S. The Red Indian Chiefs. C-H-I-E-F-S, which will be the correct form of plural form of chief. Held a meeting. This dress is 10 inches. I-N-C-H-E-S, inches short. Our teacher will check our copies. C-O-P-I-E-S. After the rain, the ponds, P-O-N-D-S, the ponds were full with water. The oxen are plowing the field. What will be the plural form of ox? Oxen. The oxen are plowing the field. Next is irregular nouns. What are irregular nouns? Irregular countable nouns do not form plurals in the usual way. Irregular countable nouns do not follow the rules of adding s, es in plural way. जो irregular countable nouns होती हैं वो plural way बनाते समय अपने s या es को फॉलो नहीं करती हैं बल्कि एक डिफरेंट वर्ड ही देती हैं. Just see an examples. Just see examples. Singular man, plural men. A will be replaced by e. Man. Singular goose, geese. Mouse will be mice. Child, children. Ox, oxen. Tooth, teeth. And students, you will learn these irregular countable nouns. F. Change the number of the underlined nouns in the following sentences and rewrite. अंडरलाइन जो नाउन दिए गए हैं उन्हें आपको उनके नंबर चेंज उन्हें प्लूरल फॉर्म में चेंज करना है. अगर वो सिंगुलर है तो सिंगुलर वे प्लूरल में चेंज करना है और प्लूरल है तो उन्हें सिंगुलर वे में चेंज करना है. चेंज द रेस्ट ऑफ द सेंटेंसेस एप्रोप्रिएटली और वापस चेंज करके उन्हें चेंज द रेस्ट ऑफ द सेंटेंसेस. सॉरी स्टूडेंट्स, सी अगेन. F. Change the number of the underlined nouns in the following sentences and rewrite. नीचे जो सेंटेंस दिए गए हैं जो उसमें अंडरलाइन नाउन है उन्हें आपको नंबर में चेंज करना है और वापस लिखना है. चेंज द रेस्ट ऑफ द सेंटेंसेस एप्रोप्रिएटली. फर्स्ट, दैट मैन हैज अ बफेलो दैट इज स्ट्रॉन्ग. मैन विल बी चेंज इन मैन, सो दैट विल बी चेंज इन दोज. Those men have buffaloes, B-U-F-F-A-L-O-E-S. Those, that will be changed into those are strong. Second, these geese have yellow feathers. This sentence is written in plural form. We have to change into singular form. This goose has yellow feathers. Third, the farmer's ox is resting under the tree. This sentence is written in singular form and we have to change into plural form. The farmer's oxen, ox will be changed into oxen, are resting under the tree. The wrestler's punch broke his teeth. This sentence is written in plural form. We have to change in singular way. The wrestler's punch broke his tooth. His feet got dirty in the mud. Feet will be changed into foot. His foot got dirty in the mud. The maid chased the mice. Mice will be changed into mouse. The maid chased the mouse. Uncountable nouns are the same in their singular and plural form. Uncountable nouns जो अपने singular और plural form में same रहती हैं. Just see examples. Deer, there will be no change in plural and singular form. Deer will be deer. Sheep and hare. Some nouns are things that are made of two parts. Some nouns are things. कुछ nouns ऐसी चीजें होती हैं जो कि दो पार्ट से बनी होती है. They are always written in plural form. Like spectacles and binoculars, दूरबीन. Binoculars, दूरबीन जो टू पार्ट्स में डिवाइड होता है. Now, next, uncountable nouns. What are uncountable nouns? Uncountable nouns are those nouns which we can't count, जिन्हें हम count नहीं कर सकते. जी, put a tick for uncountable nouns. Cars, we can count. Fish, we can count. Toys, we can count. So these are countable nouns. Time, you can count? No, time is uncountable noun. Salt, uncountable noun. Bush, uncountable noun. Honey, we can't count, हम इसे काउंट नहीं कर सकते, so honey is uncountable noun. Bottle, we can count, हम इसे काउंट कर सकते हैं. Money is also uncountable noun. And sugar, we can't count, हम इसे काउंट नहीं कर सकते, so sugar is uncountable noun. And now, children, you will do and understand this chapter and we will meet again in the next online class. Thank you. Welcome students. In this session, I am Payal Modi, your English teacher. Today I am going to start a new chapter, chapter 3rd, countable nouns and uncountable nouns. In this chapter, we will read about countable nouns, uncountable nouns and irregular nouns. First, we will read a new topic, countable nouns. What are countable nouns? Countable nouns are those nouns which we can count. काउंटेबल नाउन्स वो नाउन्स होती है जिन्हें हम काउंट कर सकते हैं. जस्ट एग्जाम्पल, टेबल, चेयर, कार, एक्सेट्रा. मोस्ट नाउन्स कैन बी काउंटेड. अधिकांश नाउन्स को हम काउंट कर सकते हैं. Nouns have a singular form and a plural form. Nouns singular form में भी हो सकती है और plural form में भी हो सकती है. Words that mean one of something are singular nouns. वो शब्द जिनका मतलब एक हो उन्हें हम singular nouns कहते हैं. Words that means more than one of something are plural nouns. एक से अधिक जो शब्द होते हैं उन्हें हम plural noun कहते हैं. Rules to make plural nouns keep in mind the following. हमें plural noun बनाने के लिए इन्हें माइंड में रखना चाहिए. First, to most words just add s. अधिकांश शब्दों में हम केवल s ही ऐड करते हैं. Just example, dog, dogs. To words ending in a vowel y plus y add s. वो शब्द जिनके अंत में वॉवल प्लस y होता है उनमें हम केवल s ही ऐड करते हैं. See an example, key. E is vowel and y plus y. So plural noun of key is keys. K-E-Y-S. We will add only s. Keys. Next, to words ending in consonant o add es. Next, to words ending in consonant o add es. कुछ शब्दों के अंत में जिनमें कॉन्सोनेंट होता है प्लस o उसमें हम add es करते हैं. Example, buffalo. O L. L is consonant plus o, buffalo, and we will add es. buffaloes. Next, two words ending in s, double s, x, sh and ch. कुछ शब्दों के अंत में s, डबल s, x, sh और ch होता है. add es उनमें हम add करते हैं प्लूरल बनाने के लिए. Example, church. church. ch is given in the last of the word. We will add es. Churches. churches. Next, two words ending in the consonant plus y. कुछ शब्दों के अंत में consonant plus y दिया होता है जिनमें हम add ies. y will be replaced by ies. Just an example, baby. b-a-b-y. In this word, b is consonant and plus y is given here. So we will change into plural form babies. Y will be replaced by ies when consonant is given in the word. babies, babies. And last, two words ending in f and fe. After changing fe to v, add es. कुछ शब्दों के अंत में fe दिया होता है जिन्हें बदलने पर f और fe और उसमें ses हम ऐड करते हैं. fe will be replaced by ves. Just see an example, wife. fe is given in this word and plural of wife is wives. fe will be replaced by ves, wipes. Now first, use s, es, ies or ves to write the given words in plural. प्लूरल फॉर्म बनाने के लिए s, es, ies, ves को यूज करके लिखिए. 1, more than 1. Table, tables. Spy, spies. Y will be replaced by ies. Baby, babies. Story, stories. Brush, brushes. Thief, ef, vf. F is replaced by ves. Thieves, thieves. Scarf, F will be replaced by ves. scarves. Because consonant word is given before F. Diary, diaries. Pencil, pencils. Dot, dots. Knife, knives. knives. Wish, wishes. Potato, potatoes. Bus, buses. buses. Lech, leches. latches. Hero, heroes. heroes. Mango, mangoes. Worry,